I thought they was on the same shit I was on, but they not. Or they was on some shit that I wanted to be on, and when I got on that shit, I got on it, then surpassed them, and they was just lost in the sauce. I'm like, damn.
What is up, YouTube? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I'm back with another one. In today's video, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I've had these 2-strand twisting for a little over a week. Okay, it's been 8 days, but I'm about ready to take them out, bro. I like having my hair just super flowy and moving around all the time, and I just like that. And when it's in twists, it's cool. It reserves your retwist, but it's like, dog, I can't do nothing with this. Like, if you got some twists or you got in the style before, you know what I'm talking about. So in this video, bro, we're just gonna take out these twists. Yeah, I'm ready to take them out, bro. I'm really just ready to take them out. I told you I was gonna keep them for 2 weeks, but we see how that went. Don't judge me, it's all good. But before we get into this video, I just gotta thank y'all so much, bro. Like, that last video, y'all got it to 1,000 views in 2 days. 1,000 views in 2 days? That's crazy. That is crazy for me. And I just want to thank y'all. Like, I was shocked when I looked at the YouTube reports, because I was like, what's going on? You know? But hey, we just gonna get into this video. But before that, you already know Instagram shoutouts of the week are gonna be on the screen right now. If you want to get an Instagram shout out, as y'all already know, follow me, follow people on the screen, like some pictures, and DM me, and you might get an Instagram shout out this week. But without any further ado, we're gonna hop right into this untwisting of my hair, and I'll see y'all after the intro. New intro, by the way.
One day, I'ma have it one day. And I'm just tryna count up the cake, tryna scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah. Me and my niggas don't play. You hate on my drip every day, but I'm still gon' make a way. Yeah.
Alright, so first thing you wanna do when you undoing some twists is get some oil, alright? As y'all know, I've been rocking with the vitamin E oil, even though it says olive oil on the bottle, but don't worry about it, alright? Stop worrying about it. It's vitamin E oil. You're gonna wanna get that, boy. Well, actually, first thing I like to do is take off the rubber bands. First thing, I messed up. First thing you do, take off the rubber bands at the ends. And there's no real way to just take them off. I just pull them off, throw them to the side. You see what I'm doing? I'm gonna do one half first, then the other half, so y'all stick around, alright? Don't be skipping through my videos, bro. Don't be skipping through my videos, alright? We taking out these rubber bands. I might speed it up for y'all just cause y'all don't wanna just sit here and listen to me do it. But then again, y'all can listen to me talk for a second. I got a whole bunch of video ideas planned for y'all, and some of them aren't even like dreadlock related. So right now I just gotta take the opportunity to ask y'all, do y'all care if I only make dreadlock videos? Honestly, I have no problem with it. It's fun for me. You know I like messing with my hair, but y'all let me know if you want to see anything different. I know y'all like my reactions sometimes, even though y'all don't be watching them. But the people who do watch them seem to like them. So y'all let me know. Alright, y'all, rubber bands are out, so I'm gonna get into taking the twist out. First thing you want, or not the first thing was rubber bands, my bad. Second thing you want to do is get some oil. Go ahead and put that on your hands. There's no right or wrong amount, bro. Just get enough oil to cover your hands and make them shine. But yeah, go ahead and get the oil. I took out half the rubber bands already, so I'm just gonna tie up the other half first of all, actually. But now that I got that half tied up, we're gonna get the twist and we just gonna start unraveling them. I don't know why to put oil on it, like for any specific reason. I just like to do it because it makes me feel important. But hey, you do what you want to do. All I know is that when you take out these twists, it's gonna be hella curly. It's gonna be hella nice. It's gonna look real good. Cause that's just what it is. And this is also why two-strand twist is one of my favorite hairstyles. Cause it's really two hairstyles. You got the two-strand twist for like a week or two, however long you want to keep it. Sometimes I want to keep my twist in it for like 2 days, really. And then after that, you got the twist out, the curls. You see it? You see it? But yeah, I might speed this part up, not sure. But then again, I'm almost done too. We'll just see. I might just cut. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna just speed it up. And by the way, if you guys haven't watched my two-strand twist video, where I showed y'all my transformation from freeform to doing these two-strand twists, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up above right now as well, and that's also gonna be in the description. Y'all go check that out. That's the video I was talking about that got like 1K in 2 days. Crazy stuff. It's real crazy. But yeah, we're almost done with this side, as y'all can tell, and this twist out is coming out. Twistout is beautiful right now, bro. I couldn't be happier with this. I'm telling y'all, man, doing hairstyles on yourself is not hard. You just gotta have patience and you just gotta practice it. The more you do these hairstyles on yourself, the better you're gonna get at it. Oh, well, let's start rebanding. Y'all can't see that. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of tutorials on different styles. I got more style videos coming up soon, since I know y'all interested in that. Damn, I left a couple rubber bands in still. But y'all see the length, bro. It's getting stupid. I don't know when I'm gonna end my dreadlock journey. I don't know. I haven't decided that yet. I really be telling people when it gets to my shoulders, but bruh, I might just keep these hoes till they get to my like mid back. Honestly, I love them so much. But I think I got all the twists out on that side. And y'all see the floatiness I was talking about. It's majestic, you feel me? Now we done with that side. You can see the thumbnail. Yeah, whatever, y'all get it. Y'all can see the difference, the length difference, everything is just it's just smooth. Matter of fact, I'm about to go take some Instagram pictures real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm done with the pictures, but yeah, we gonna get to the other half right now. Take out the rest of these rubber bands, and bruh, there's just so many things you could do when you get a twist out, or when you don't have your hair in the style as well. And my biggest pet peeve about dreadlocks really be when people be like, they're not versatile. I'm like, bro, like, name one thing. Like, go ahead, comment down below. Name one thing that you could do with regular loose hair that you can't do with dreads, and I'll do it. Like, you could do everything. Think about it. You might not be able to do it because your dreads are too big. If you get small dreads, they got sister locks. I'll put a picture on the screen right now. Sister locks are just really, they're dreads that are like so skinny. It's damn near like having regular hair, but they're really locks at the same time. So I'm like, what do you mean you can't do a braid out? What do you mean you can't do this? What do you mean? You can do everything, bro. Trust me. You just gotta be innovative with it. You gotta find ways to work around having locks to get the styles that you want. Alright, y'all, I think I got all of the twists out. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. I'll find out after. But this is the Twistout. Let me take y'all over here. Better lighting. This is the Twistout, bro. I'm feeling myself right now, as y'all can see. But yeah, this is the Twistout. This is the finished product. This is the results. And if you guys want me to do more videos like this where I take out styles, I'll show you how to take out styles, let me know down below. And if you're still in this part of the video and you're still watching, go ahead and rate the Twistout out of 10. I'm gonna put 10 out of 10. Pin that in the comments. Only y'all gonna know what it's about though, because all them other lame niggas left already. But if y'all still here, go ahead and rate it 10 out of 10 in the comment section. And let me know. I peep the love that y'all be showing. Trust me, I remember every single person who be watching all the videos and DMing me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe, because we on the way. We on the way up, bro. I don't know if y'all seen the sub count, but we on the way up. I can't thank y'all enough. It's all thanks to y'all. And much love. I don't really got much else to say in this video. So